Here is a rarely available Santa Ana End unit with a premium lakefront view and situated on one of only 5 highly desirable gated quads with semi-private pool, lounge chairs, gazebo and barbecue grills which are reserved only for the residents that surround it. Home features 1,733 square feet of living, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and a 2-car garage. The open lower level hosts the living and dining areas, kitchen with granite counters, 42 cabinets, stainless steel appliances, extended walk-in pantry storage and half bathroom. Upstairs layout is perfect for privacy and functionality. Double door entry to the master suite with balcony, spacious walk-in closet, luxurious en-suite, separate tub, shower and dual sinks. Upstairs continues past the built-in desk to the laundry room, guest bathroom and 2 guest bedrooms both with views of the quad and pool area. Voted Community of the Year.